नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, we finished that 10th lesson, right? Have you read that lesson? Whether it was interesting or not? Nice story, right? Okay. Okay, we are going to study the notes for that. First we will study the notes, then after that we will go for the book exercise. Okay. पाठ 10 राजा का चेहरा. पाठ 10 राजा का चेहरा. अर्थ विदूषक क्लाउन. आँखों का तारा वेरी डियर. आँखों का तारा वेरी डियर. दरबारियों कोर्टियर्स. सप्ताह वीक. राजकोष ट्रेशरी. Once again, विदूषक क्लाउन. आँखों का तारा वेरी डियर. दरबारियों कॉर्टियर्स. सप्ताह वीक. राजकोष ट्रेशरी. Then sixth one, धनराशि अमाउंट. शर्त बेट. खरीदारी शॉपिंग. चतुराई क्लेवरनेस. हाजिर प्रेजेंट. Once again, धनराशि अमाउंट. शर्त बेट. खरीदारी शॉपिंग. चतुराई क्लेवरनेस. हाजिर प्रेजेंट. प्रश्न और उत्तर. विजयनगर राज्य का विदूषक का नाम क्या था? What is the clown's name in विजयनगर राज्य? विजयनगर राज्य का विदूषक का नाम क्या था? तेनालीरामन. What is the name of that clown? तेनालीरामन. तेनालीरामन किसके लिए प्रसिद्ध था? For what he is famous? तेनालीरामन is famous for what? तेनालीरामन अपनी सूझबूझ के लिए प्रसिद्ध था. He is famous for the सूझबूझ. सूझबूझ means his common sense, right? He is famous for his cleverness or common sense. For that only he is famous. Once again, विजयनगर राज्य का विदूषक का नाम क्या था? तेनालीरामन. तेनालीरामन किसके लिए प्रसिद्ध था? तेनालीरामन अपनी सूझबूझ के लिए प्रसिद्ध था. विजयनगर राजा का नाम क्या था? What is the name of the राजा of विजयनगर? विजयनगर राजा का नाम राजा कृष्णदेव राय था. His name of the king is Raja Krishnadeva Rai. Vijayanagar, the Raja of Vijayanagar. The name of the Raja of Vijayanagar what? विजयनगर के राजा का नाम राजा कृष्णदेव राय था. राजा ने अपने सभी दरबारियों को क्या बांटी? What he distributed for all the courtiers? सोने के सिक्कों से भरी थैलियाँ. What he has distributed? The bags which is full of golden coins. राजा ने अपने सभी दरबारियों को क्या बांटी? सोने के सिक्कों से भरी थैलियाँ. सभी को यह सारी धनराशि कितने दिन के भीतर खर्च करनी होगी? For that full amount, within how many days they have to finish? How many days? एक सप्ताह के भीतर. Within a week. सप्ताह means week. Within a week. So सभी को यह सारी धनराशि कितने दिन के भीतर खर्च करनी होगी? एक सप्ताह के भीतर. सभी सोने के सिक्कों पर क्या छपा हुआ था? In all the gold coins, what was printed on that? राजा का चेहरा. The face of राजा. सभी सोने के सिक्कों पर क्या छपा हुआ था? राजा का चेहरा. Understood? Learn the notes, okay ma? Then we will go for the textbook. Page number 75. I'll take your textbook page number 75. And here you can write today's date. What is the date today? 12/3/2021. Shukravar. Right there. Shukravar. Okay. Right ma? 12/3/2021. Shukravar. Then बात पते की. We should get some information here. तेनालीरामन का वास्तविक नाम गर्लपति रामाकृष्णाचार्यालु था. The Tenali Raman's real name. What is his real name? Don't want to learn this, okay? Only for giving an information. For that I am teaching. Okay? Garlapati Ramakrishnanacharyalu tha. What is his name? Say with me, my dear kids. Garlapati Ramakrishnanacharyalu tha. If anyone is asking, you can tell now. For that only, okay? Okay, here one riddle is there. 2 riddles are there. Let's find out the answers. Patne likhne mein, I am using for reading and writing. What is that? Dono hi kaam mein aata hu. For these two I am using. You are using me for these 2 things, for reading and writing. Kalam kagas nahi. I am not pen and I am not paper. Batao mera naam kya? What is the name of me? Can you tell? So I am using for reading and writing. I am not pen and paper. Then what it will be? Can you guess, my dear kids? Yeah, it is the answer here. You can reverse the book and see. Uttar, it is written first one. Chashma, spectacles. Chashma what? Spectacles. Yeah, somebody are using for reading and writing, right? That is chashma. Okay. Then second one. Hari thi man phari thi. I was green and I was filling the heart. For what? Motyom se phari thi. I was filling with so many rubies and all. Raja ji ke khet mein. I'll be there in the field. Dushala ote khadi thi. I was covering with the shawl. What is that? That green cover I was covering with the green cover. What is that? Futta. Futta means corn. Corn is there, na? Corn. Popcorn, that corn. Not popcorn, that corn only. Real corn. That is only that one. See, it is that cover will be that wrap, what we will say, that peel will be green color, right? Inside that it will be like a motiam, it will be like a rubies, right? So that is only telling here. Futta means corn. Then let's turn the page. Here on story is there. Nice story, okay? You maybe know about this story. Bandar or Magarmach bahut अच्छे दोस्त थे. Only for understanding, okay? Not for learning and all. Bandar or Magarmach means crocodile. Can I say the story only? Okay. This monkey and crocodile both are very good friends. Okay, they both are very good friends. He says Bandar is sitting on a mango tree, right? He used to sit here and eat the mango tree, and while crocodile is asking, he will also eat that mangoes and all. So they were daily they will meet and they will be very good friends. One day this crocodile is asking, that mango is very nice. Can you give some mangoes for my wife also? Like that crocodile is asking. So the monkey is telling, why not? Why can't I give? You give to your wife also. I'll give more for you. Like that he is telling and he is giving that mangoes to the crocodile. So that crocodile is coming to his wife and giving that mangoes and telling, this one my friend only has given. You eat and see, like that. Then she is eating and telling that, this is very sweet. Those who are eating this mango, that person's liver also will be very tasty. This mango is very tasty. So those who is eating this one, that person's liver also will be very tasty. I want your friend's liver. Like that this wife crocodile is asking to husband. So what he is first and all he is not accepting, and after that his wife asking now, so he agreed and he is coming to monkey, and he is telling some lie, and he is carrying monkey on his up, and he is coming towards his wife's place, his home. So in between, on the center of the center of that lake, crocodile feels something, and he is telling to monkey the reality that, my dear friend, I am sorry that I am not taking you simply to my home. I am taking that my wife has told that she needs your liver. So suddenly monkey got some idea and he's telling that, is it? Why can't you tell before itself? I kept my liver in the mango tree and came like that. That monkey is very cleverly answering. Why can't you tell before? I have kept my liver on the tree. Let's go and take that and come like that. Monkey is telling. Whether our liver can take outside and will keep somewhere? No, right? But he said very cleverly. And that crocodile, that Buddhu crocodile is taking him back to near to the tree, and that monkey escaping from that. Isn't it? Monkey, after coming near to the mango tree, he jumped onto the mango tree and he is telling that, this much even you don't know. I have told lie, like that he is telling. So through cleverness, monkey escaped from that crocodile, right? So how nice, right? Like this we should not be fooled in any way. We should think. Whatever it is happening, we should think. Okay. Then we will go to the next lesson. This is a drama. Okay. Drama and all we will play in the stage, like that one drama only. This one. Here we can say today's date also. Okay. Like Shukravar, right there also, 12/3/2021. Shukravar, right there also. Chiku chala Delhi ki sair. Chiku went for the travel or outing. Sair means outing, we will keep. Okay, outing. For an outing of Delhi. For seeing Delhi, Chiku went for an outing. Who is Chiku? Let's see. Here we will say the characters first, right? So Patra means characters. Who are the characters of this drama? Chiku Chuha. Chiku named a rat. Chuha means rat. Patra means characters. Chiku Chuha rat. Nanhi Chuhia small girl rat. Okay, Chuhia means Chuhia. Chuhia means small girl rat. Okay. Then taak karke do aadmi. The two persons of post office. Taak kar post office. Two persons in the post office. Then Chini Chidiya. One bird which his name is Chini. Okay, one bird which his name is Chini. Then Beenu Badak. Badak means duck. Badak means what? Duck. So that Badak's name is Beenu. So these are the characters of this drama. Let's see. Drishya 1. Scene 1. Okay, Drishya means scene. What is the scene 1? Taak kar mein nanni ka ghar. Taak kar, in the post office only, this nanni, that small girl rat was there, that girl's house is in the Dhakakar only. We can see rat will live everywhere, right? In our house also so many are coming like that and going. So here this small girl rat is living in the Dhakakar. Dhakakar means in the post office. Okay, parda utta hai. Parda utta hai means that curtain is rising. The drama it is happening means that curtain will rise na. Parda means curtain. Okay. Curtain. Curtain. Okay. Curtain. It is rising. चीकू चूहा और नन्ही चूहिया मंच पर प्रवेश करते हैं. Who is coming on the stage? Stage. मंच. Stage. चीकू चूहा and नन्ही चूहिया is coming on the stage. नन्ही चीकू का स्वागत करते हुए. नन्ही that चूहिया's house only that talk करना. So he is welcoming चीकू and telling. बड़े दिनों बाद मिले चीकू. After so many days we are meeting चीकू. कहो कैसे आना हुआ? Okay, tell why you came now? After so many days we are meeting. Why you came now चीकू? भाई वाह नन्ही मेरे स्कूल की छुट्टी थी. My school has holidays now. So सोचा तुम्हारे साथ कहीं पर सैर कर ली जाए. I felt like I will go and meet you and will go for an outing with you. सैर outing. So my school has closed, so I thought you come to you and I'll go with a outing with you. Nani हिचकिचाते हुए Nani became so Nani because she wants to go somewhere, so she is telling, पर चीकू मुझे तो एक ज़रूरी काम से बाहर जाना है चीकू, I have to go for some other work, what I will do, like that she is telling. चीकू भाई वाह तुम जाओ, ओके माँ you go, हम फिर कभी चलेंगे, we will go for any another day we will go, okay you go, like that चीकू is telling Nani. ठीक है चीकू, ओके चीकू. नन्ही चली जाती है, नन्ही इज़ गोइंग. चीकू वहीं खड़ा रखता है. चीकू इज़ स्टैंडिंग देयर. चीकू कुछ सोचते हुए, चीकू इज़ थिंकिंग समथिंग. भाई वाह अब आ ही गया, ओके नाउ आई केम ना, सो क्यों ना टाक कर ही देख लो. आई केम ना, सो लेट्स सी द पोस्ट ऑफिस. Okay, let's go for a round for this post office. Like that, Chiku is thinking. Okay, so Chiku and Chinu both are friends, and after so many days they are meeting, and Chiku is coming to Chinu's house. Where is the house of Chinu? Chinu's house is in the post office only. So Chiku is telling that my school has closed and I came outside to meet you we will go for an outing. So Chiku is telling I have to go somewhere else. Okay, then Chiku is telling okay you go, then we will go in another day. Then after that Chiku is there and Chiku is going from there, and Chiku thought to have a round in the post office itself. Then what happening we will see. See, man is there, post office, so many letters are there, right? So चीकू टाक कर देखते हुए, चीकू इज़ वॉचिंग द पोस्ट ऑफिस एंड ऑल. भाई वाह आज तो मज़ा आ गया, नाउ टुडे इट्स वेरी नाइस. कितनी सारी चिट्ठियाँ हैं यहाँ, हाउ मैनी लेटर्स आर हियर. कोई लाल, सम लेटर्स आर रेड कलर, तो कोई पीली, सम लेटर्स आर इन येलो कलर. कोई बड़ी, सम आर बिग, तो कोई छोटी, सम आर वेरी स्मॉल. कुदरने में भी बड़ा मज़ा आएगा. इफ़ वी आर कुदरना चाहिए, दैट रैट्स मेन हैबिट व्हाट, biting, right? So he is telling if I am biting also it will be very nice, it will be very enjoyable to bite also. कुदरना means to bite off. ओके अरे यहाँ तो चिट्ठियाँ का ढेर लगा है. ये इट इज़ ए वेरी बिग पाइल, मीन्स वेरी क्राउडी. दैट लेटर्स full more letters are there. Chiku ढेर पर बैठते. Then he is sitting on the bundle of that letters and भाई वाह कितनी सुंदर है ये, how much nice it is. किसी पर लाल तो किसी पर पीली इमारत बनी है. Like it was keeping on the up and down ना, like red color together, yellow color together. That is for something, some needed and all they are keeping in the red color letter and yellow color letter. So it was on the up like that it was arranged ना. So he is telling that it is like a big building. सुंदर सुंदर चेहरे भी हैं इन पर. सुंदर सुंदर चेहरे मीन्स ब्यूटिफुल फेसेस ऑल्सो देयर इन दैट. कहीं ये डाक टिकट तो नहीं, मे बी इट इज़ ए पोस्टेज स्टैम्प. बाई सीइंग दैट स्टैम्प फेसेस विल बी देयर ना, दैट लीडर्स फेस एंड गांधी जी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, more will be there, right? So that faces also there na, by seeing that how much sundar beautiful faces also there. So maybe that is a डाक टिकट तो नहीं, that is maybe postage stamp only. डाक टिकट, postage stamp. दो आदमी बात करते करते चीकू की ओर आते हुए. Then two persons are coming by near to the Chiku. That rat and no one will see, right? By hearing the sound only we will find out that rat is there. So that two persons are coming inside the truck. Then पहला आदमी, first person is telling, जल्दी करो भाई, हमें इन चिट्ठियों को अन्य डाकघरों तक पहुंच जाना है. We have to take these letters to another post office and also please do fast, okay, do fast, like that he is telling to the another person. दूसरा आदमी, हाँ चलो चलते हैं, okay we will go. चीकू, भाई वाह ये तो इन चिट्ठियों की ही बात कर रहे हैं. अरे वाह वेरी, ये they are telling about these letters only, they are talking about these letters only. अब तो यहाँ से भागना चाहिए. Now we have to run from here. They are telling about the letters only, so I have to run from here, like that he is telling. Then what happened? Then they are going, right? पास ही एक थैला पड़ा है. Nearby only one bag was there. Nearby only bag was there. Then चीकू भाई वाह ये क्या है, इसमें ही घुस जाता हूँ. Then by seeing that bag, he is going inside and sitting. I will go and I will sit inside that. Like that he is thinking and he is थैले में घुसते हुए he is going inside that bag. चीकू भाई वाह इसमें तो बहुत अंधेरा है, ये वेरी डार्कनेस इट इज़. पर छुपने के लिए अच्छी जगह है, बट फॉर हाइडिंग इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्लेस ओनली. इफ़ इट इज़ डार्क इवन, इफ इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्लेस ओनली. लाइक दैट ही इज़ थिंकिंग एंड ही इज़ गोइंग इनसाइड दैट बैग एंड सिटिंग. पहला आदमी, तुम थैले में चिट्ठियाँ डालो और गाड़ी में रखो. यू कीप द लेटर्स इनसाइड द बैग एंड यू कीप दैट बैग ऑन द व्हीकल. मैं अभी आता हूँ, आई विल कम नाउ. लाइक दैट फर्स्ट पर्सन इज टेलिंग एंड गोइंग. दूसरा आदमी थैले में चिट्ठियाँ भरता हुआ. ही इज़ कीपिंग द लेटर्स इनसाइड दैट बैग एंड ठीक है पर जल्दी आना. ओके आई विल कीप, यू कम फास्ट. ओके लाइक दैट ही इज़ टेलिंग टू द फर्स्ट पर्सन. देन आफ्टर सम टाइम्स चीकू हैरानी से ही वॉज सरप्राइज्ड एंड थिंकिंग, भाई वाह ये मैं हिल क्यों रहा हूँ, वाई आई एम शेकिंग. देखूँ तो ज़रा क्या माजरा है. वो लेट मी सी व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग आउटसाइड. लाइक दैट ही इज थिंक बिकॉज ही इज़ शेकिंग, ही इज़ मूविंग. चीकू के ऊपर चिट्ठियों का ढेर लगा है. he was looking, all the letters are on his up because he went inside the bag which they are keeping the letters. चीकू चिट्ठियाँ हटाते हुए, then he is moving the letters and he is, भाई वाह ये मुझे कहाँ लिए जा रहे हैं. where they are taking me and going. लगता है मैं टाक ले जाने थैले में घुस गया. I have trapped in the bag where they are keeping the letters. Maybe I have trapped in that bag only. Like that he is telling and पर्दा गिरता है. The curtain is coming. Not finished ma. This is the first scene only. That Chiku is coming inside the Takakar and that persons were two persons coming and they are keeping two bags. He unknowingly this Chiku is going inside one bag and while see after that sometimes only he seeing that he was trapped on the bag where they are keeping the letters only. So you can see Chiku is sitting inside one bag, right? That bag also they are keeping letters only. So that bag he trapped and he is going. After that what happened we will see in the next scene. Okay, so this much you read. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting. Okay ma. So finish the notes. Book exercise is not there, right? So understand the story and read still here. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.